How to reverse video on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to reverse video on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, select the project that you want to reverse the video of. After you open the project, select the video or the part that you want to reverse the video. After you select it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see multiple options over here. Drag it to the left side. Once you drag it, you can see the option for reverse over here. Tap on reverse. It will take some time. So as you guys can see, our video has been reversed. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna reverse video on CapCut. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.